Yeah.
We were talking about it.
Yeah, we were talking about it off the mic.
It took me back to my college days.
I
And
know.
I'm like, I'm still there. Oh my god, क्या क्या करते थे हम लोग?
Oh, Shinchan dance.
Yeah, just like you used to do. At a party मेरे को circle में डालती थी, मैं इतना ही करती थी.
नहीं, सारी का कलर है.
We are like constantly thinking, ये पूछते क्या वाला है?
नहीं खेलने का मेरे को.
I was doing this.
नहीं खेलने का. और उसी के साथ ये लोग जीत गए 25 करोड़.
Guys, what are we doing here? Can we change?
Alright, welcome to Stars Ka Jugaad. My name is RJ Glenn. We've got two superstars over here. Shantanu Ansari, welcome to the show. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
It's going to be amazing having a chat with you guys over here. Because first up, I have a dance connection with you, Shantanu.
Yeah. We were talking about it.
Yeah, we were talking about it off the
It
mic.
took me back to my college days.
I
And
know.
I'm like, I'm still there. Oh my god, क्या क्या करते थे हम लोग? So
क्या
yeah.
मजा आता था यार.
वो
और में था दम क्या? किसी में नहीं था
किसी
दम.
में नहीं था उस समय.
I swear that's the prowess. And we've got Manjrekar Tahi with us. नमस्कार. किसी में नहीं था दम उधर. मैं ये बात पूछना चाहता हूँ आपसे. बहुत legit question है. किसी ने आपसे नहीं पूछा. आज मैं यहाँ पे पूछने वाला हूँ. It's the original question. Jeoli's का.
Jolly, just Jolly.
But you guys are filling into shoes, or rather filling in someone's shoes. There are like big actors, दिग्गज actors हैं.
हाँ
मतलब
जी.
उनका early life आप play कर रहे
हाँ
हैं.
जी.
Alright. And when you're playing such a part, like for you also, do you have to learn their traits? तबू जी का आपको कुछ सीखना पड़ा या फिर आपको did you have to ape some mannerisms or anything of that sort?
No. I mean, not really. We weren't asked to, I guess.
Okay.
I feel like we did what we were asked to do, and we did it very obediently, and we listened to every instruction that was told to us. And I think that was in my head and his head somewhere, that let's kind of see what they do. But I don't think Neeraj sir wanted that from us, and we just listened to what he was saying and did exactly that.
But I think that is also so important कि when you're entering a field like that, किसी की कहानी है जो director बोलते हैं, this is director's actor per se. Shantanu, how easy or difficult is it for you? Because as a dancer, I know for a fact that choreography set होती है, लेकिन उसमें वो जो क्या
अपना flair लेकर
थोड़ा सा वो
मसाला है.
हाँ garnish होता है थोड़ा acting में भी.
I feel like my training has been such where I make sure that my director is aware about it, even if I'm trying to put that garnish.
Right.
Because then suddenly out of the blue, अगर आप करोगे and you'll be like, एक second, ये कब हुआ? That shouldn't be the case. Obviously, you put आपका अपना emotion in every character. That is no denying to it. I don't know how few people can do it without it.
Right.
But वो तो जाता ही है. But I don't know कि ऐसे अलग से उसका फंडा क्या होता है या फिर उसका प्रेपरेशन क्या होती है. It just comes naturally when you're reading the script, when you're performing. It just comes naturally. I mean, to me at least, touchwood, it has come naturally till date, and I like to keep it that way. I don't want to overanalyze it and be critical about it, because if it's working in the favor, then something is
कुछ सही चल रहा है.
हाँ, कुछ सही चल रहा है preparation में. हाँ.
Do you love dancing too, Sai? Is it your?
In front of my mirror, alone, with the door locked, I do random things.
Last movie में तेरे dances थे ना उसमें.
हाँ.
You had your song with Guru.
Guru's movement, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
She does it. She does it so
Shout
well.
out to Guru.
Yeah. And you have to.
Really?
Yeah,
I've not seen this. I've seen this.
Yeah.
3 fingers.
I've seen that a lot. But no, I love dancing. I've learned a lot.
Okay.
But I've always been shy. Like bachpan, so my sister is a great dancer. She's been dancing since she was 3 years old.
Oh.
And yeah, like Lavani and Kathak, and she's trained in Bharatnatyam from Nalanda. She's a proper dancer. So bachpan se everyone knew कि घर पे guest है तो गाओ नाच के दिखाओ. So मेरा कभी chance आया नहीं, मेरे को करना भी नहीं था, because I'm a shy kid. And then eventually when I decided that I want to act, I was like, now I need to go see if I can. Because bachpan I used to do this thing called the Shinchan dance, and that was the only dance I knew. Which was
Oh, Shinchan dance.
yeah, just like I used to do. At a party मेरे को circle में डालती थी, मैं इतना ही करती थी. So then I kind of learned, and I love doing it. I love going for dance classes. I love dancing, but only in front of the mirror. And then again, if it's in front of the camera, then I just shut everything out. But otherwise, I'm a little shy. Like at parties and stuff, you won't see me dancing.
Right.
You will see me just being like, oh.
But notice a lot of people have this misconception. मेरे साथ भी लोग अक्सर कहते हैं कि भाई आप लोग तो बहुत पार्टी वार्टी जाते हैं. पर नहीं भाई, मुझे सोना है. मुझे सोना.
आप लोग के लिए नया है डांसिंग, हमारे लिए रोज का रहता है. सुबह से शाम से आफ्टर पार्टी यू आर लाइक बहुत दुख रहा है भाई, ये हाथ को उठाऊंगा तब ये भी दर्द होगा, वो भी दर्द होगा.
I feel like I'm a hook step dancer. I only do one hook step and I'll do it and then I'll stop dancing and look at everyone else.
हाँ, I think after a point you're like, हाँ, हो गया अभी.
No, I know the hook step. I'll do it. I'll impress everyone. Saying, "Ah, you idiots! You don't know it. I know it." And then I'll sit on the side.
But आप लोगों ने कुछ कहा very importantly. You said spoke about hook step, but let's see how well you know your trailer. Okay, so
Oh, yeah.
we do something called as
Okay.
trailer का tailor.
ये हमने कभी नहीं खेला है, मैंने आज तक.
पोस्टमार्टम किया है.
Okay.
And we will ask you सवाल एकदम बारीकी से about the trailer. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Opening scene में आप दोनों रहते हो, ठीक है? Beautiful रहता है, sea facing, मजा आ जाता है. Is it sunset or sunrise at that time?
Sunset.
Well, सही जवाब. 7 करोड़. Very good. It is trailer में ना visible है. On one side there is Ajay Devgan's glasses. Okay.
Yeah.
Where there is a white tape.
Yeah.
Okay. Which side is it on? Left
Right.
side.
Right.
10 करोड़. जब टब्बू अपने कार से उतरती हैं,
कौन सी कार है ये पूछे.
और उस कार के साथ चौल में ना
हाँ.
और कार्स पार्क्ड होती हैं. कितनी गाड़ियां होती हैं?
2.
Sis, swear?
Yeah.
3.
एक दूसरा टेम्पो ट्रैवलर टाइप
Correct,
का.
correct. Well
No,
done.
you're counting cars.
No, I think what has happened ना, मेरे जो लोग हैं ना, ये कांतरू went for tuition से the tuition teacher, उसको importance मिल गया, उसको पता चल गया पेपर में क्या आने वाला है. Alright.
Mock test
Mock
हो
test,
गया
mock test.
उसका.
Okay. जब अजय देवगन अभिजीत से मिलते हैं पहली बार, तो उनके शर्ट का कलर क्या होता है?
Blue.
भाई साहब, तुम दोनों ने क्या मतलब पेपर लीक कर दिया यार. I should not talk about paper leaks.
It's only one actually.
I should not talk about paper leaks.
पूरे टेलर को एक ही कलर पहना उन्होंने.
Okay, अजय एंड टबू को कौन से कलर, अजय देवगन ने टबू को एक रिंग दी होती है.
Purple. Lilac.
हाँ,
Whatever you want to
lilac,
call it.
yeah.
Purple lilacish.
मैं तो ब्लू ही बोलूंगा. बेबी पिंक, फुशिया पिंक, whatever you want. Alright.
Lilac.
So Sahi has this Maharashtrian look in the trailer. Okay, at
Correct.
one point जब दिखाया जाता है.
2 में. हाँ.
हाँ, तो आप बताइए कि उसमें आपने फूल जो है,
हाँ, rose. Red rose.
तुम लोग क्या क्वेश्चन लेके आए हो ये?
कौन सा साइड है वो?
हम लोग की पूरी टीम ने सोचा हम लोग बहुत स्मार्ट है.
राइट लेफ्ट
Left.
फ्रेम में कौन सा?
Left side.
लेफ्ट साइड.
Red rose.
Wow, this is amazing. जब शांतनु एक सीन आता है, I love that shot when you jump between the sarees. वो जो
हाँ.
उफ, वो मेरे लिए cinematically and choreography wise it's a
साड़ी का colour है, साड़ी.
नहीं, साड़ी का कलर है.
We are like question देखे ये पूछने का वाला है.
उस फ्रेम में कितनी साड़ियां थी?
2.
3.
2. Oh wait, there's
दो
3.
नीचे
And
भी
नीचे
है.
भी. It doesn't count. It's down.
Okay. दही हांडी वाले फ्रेम में लोगों ने कौन से कलर का टी शर्ट पहना था?
ब्लू.
Blue.
अबे यार, तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? हम लोग साथ इतना मेहनत करते हो, हम लोग शाणे. मुझे you were 90s kid or 90s
हाँ.
वो ग्रुप डी सम्स आता था.
हाँ.
For SSC board students, state board students, only 15 marks were from outside the textbook. बाकी all the sums were from inside the text. Whatever you have done in school, वो exam.
So application का सिर्फ 15
हाँ,
marks था.
only for state board students only 15 marks was aptitude and not attitude. So it was like that. Okay. शांतनु के कौन से हाथ में क्रेप बैंडेज रहता है?
Right. Left.
नहीं खेलने का मेरे को.
I was doing this.
नहीं खेलने का. और उसी के साथ ये लोग जीत गए 25 करोड़. सच लो.
Guys, what are we doing here? Can we change?
25 करोड़. यार मेरा हॉट सीट ने मेरा हॉट सीट हो गया. ये तुम लोग क्या कर दिया? हम लोग का पूरी टीम बैठी है, हम लोग सोच रहे हैं ऐसे सवाल पूछेंगे इनसे, ऐसे करेंगे. Anyway, let's go back to the film now. इसमें तो हमारा कचरा होगा. But tell me about, when you're working with Ajay and Tabu and stalwarts like these, and they've got chemistry for years, man.
Yeah.
They've got chemistry for years that they've built, and
Yeah.
Ajay sir has a different swag. Tabu ma'am has a different swag of her own.
Yeah.
Yet these two universes come together, beautifully come together. You're learning as an artist. आप क्या सीखते हैं जब आप ऐसे दिग्गज कलाकारों को मिलते हैं?
So you want to start first?
Yeah, I mean, I feel like the biggest learning that I would probably take away is, just the way that they approach their work with so much ease, with so much like I met Tabu ma'am when she was doing her look test also, and I was a nervous wreck at that point. And I remember her just like walking in so naturally, so casually, as if this is just. I feel like that ease is still something that I don't have in me right now, because I'm still a very like restless, nervous person. And even in front of the camera, like even before, she's just asking, talking. I think it's just so easy. I mean, years of experience to make it easy for her.
Yeah.
But I feel like that's something that I want to get eventually.
Yeah. Same, actually, it's the calmness that they have before the scene. They don't panic no matter how big the scene is, how small the scene is, or they will try to be in the moment. They know in their head कि कौन से part में कहाँ पर है, so that is in their head there. उनका entry उसके बाद क्या होने वाला क्या है वो सब है, but एक calmness रहती है. Okay, ये change है.
But that's so beautiful. ना जब आप दिग्गज कलाकारों
Yeah.
से, like when I met some senior artists and you see, हाँ ठीक है ये करना है, okay, and you sometimes wonder,
How?
Yeah. It's a switch. They have a switch. I don't know. I feel कुछ तो एक छोटा switch होता है सब में जो कि वो change करता है उनको कि like when they're like normal and then हाँ चल ये एक आता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब it's like elaborate अब करते हैं acting, ऐसा नहीं है. It's like हाँ ठीक है character ऐसा है, हाँ ठीक है, and it comes very naturally to them. Like I've seen Ajay sir very calm. He's like okay ठीक है.
thank you so much for your time and
Thank
it was
you.
amazing.